Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into a Netflix account on your mobile phone. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to log in into a Netflix account is very simple. So first thing before getting started, make sure that you've already updated the application to the latest version. In case if you haven't updated, then open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Netflix, and instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update it for the latest features. After updating your application, click on open. After that, you'll be taken to sign up or sign in interface. So in order to log in into a Netflix account, first thing you need to make sure that you already have an account. Now if you don't have an account, then you'll not be able to log in. If you don't have an account, then first of all, you need to create an account. For that, you need to click on get started and then you'll need to enroll into Netflix account. And then in the top right corner, click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, next interface you'll be asked to enter in your email or phone number and a password associated with the Netflix account. Enter in the contact information that you've provided while creating your Netflix account. After done entering your login credential, click on sign in, which is right at the bottom if the provided information is correct, and then you've successfully logged into your Netflix account. So in this way you can log in into your Netflix account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.